I mean, you guys would be a big ego play to coach, right?
Probably. I don't know.
Hmm.
I
I
still
mean, you
think this is
would be.
okay.
But I knew I couldn't get you the outcome based on how I wanted to go see it happen. So I said no. And this is where real estate agents need to stop taking on fucking clients that you can't help because
Yeah.
Yeah.
you are advertising that you suck.
Yeah. It's true. And that's the one thing, that day my energy went to shit because I was just like, well, I got like deflated that, Hank didn't want to work with me. But then our friendship has never wavered. I mean, we've always been solid friends. I mean, there's absolutely, I could pick up the phone and call Hank and be like, dude, bro, I got to talk. He'd be like, all right, I got this time right here. I'm busy with a client, but I'll call you back right away. And it showed authenticity. And at that point, that's where I gained the respect for Hank versus just a transactional relationship. And I think that a lot of people, if you're authentic with how you truly come into a relationship, like, hey, is it for the person or for the opportunity or the ego play or whatever it's going to be? Date the smoking hot chicks who's a box of rocks. Is that really what you want? Or do you want to date another girl who's intelligent and that sparks you and really drives you to another level? Same thing with clientele. Don't do it for the ego. Don't take the $5 million listing. Take the five $1 million listings and get them sold. They're not as sexy in my market, but you know what? It's what your wheelhouse is.